new door of opportunity. But more than a pageantry, ino-offer natin is a legacy, passed to enrich, strengthen, and cultivate our rich cultural heritage. The ino-offer natin is an array of strong characteristics that embody that warrior descent of Mardicas, strong, brave, and compassionate of one's own. For a decade and a half, the ino-offer natin has been exhibiting honor among men. Tonight, the mission is being carried on by the exclusive organizers, the Nigosa family of the late Dr. Evangelino Nigosa of Samahan Kayumanggi and Cavite West Point College President, Dr. Romero Nigosa Mojica. Without keeping you away any longer, I officially welcome you to the ino-offer natin 2026 Buena